Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you'll learn how you can easily add space between elements in Weebly. So let's start. First, let's just add a title here. I don't know, let's add gallery here. Okay, and I don't know, I will add also categories here. Cancel. And as you can see, like, we got a lot of stuff here. So what you can do is I will just upload a file here. It's like, I don't know, logo. And voila, 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 voila. Let's wait. Now, what you can do is this. When you're going to scroll up, you're going to see Spacer. You got Spacer, and Divider. With Spacer, you can create space between everything. And you can, look what I will do. Create space between the text. Now also, let's add Spacer here. So right now we got really pretty things. Okay, let's change the black color. And as you can see, we got Spacer here. And then you can also add Spacer if you would like. Let's say that you want to add it here. So I will put on the right side and I can create columns. So this is also a pretty cool thing. So now, when I would add text here, as you can see, it's in the middle. And now you can also choose divider. Divider is like if you wanna change, just change the site to different parts. This is also pretty cool. And now you can also, I don't know, that's kind of it. And this is how you can play around with the Spacer. It's really pretty cool thing to have and to do. It reminds me Squarespace a little bit, yeah. So if you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some support, some guidance, and you know how it works. So thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.